As of now, a severe thunderstorm warning is active for this area for Franklin, Tennessee, Lincoln, Tennessee. More in Tennessee until about 3:30 p.m. Be aware of damaging winds around 60 miles per hour. The storm is moving east at around 50 miles per hour. Head indoors immediately. Stay away from windows and secure loose objects outside. Be smart, be safe. Alert! Severe thunderstorm warning active for Franklin, Tennessee, Lincoln, and 3 other areas, including Russellville, Red Bay, Phil Campbell, and others. Dangerous storms approaching. Storm moving east at 50 miles per hour. 60-mile-per-hour winds possible.